This is the video instructions to install the Quest 2 adapter so you can use the deluxe audio strap onto the Quest 2. So let's begin. These are what most people on Etsy or eBay are selling, and we've sold them too. But they're okay adapters, they're okay design, but look at our other video to get the ultimate stylish and very fancy adapters. We call this the minimalist or no frills version. So let's begin. You can see these are similar to what other people are selling, and this one here has a notch, so this is for the left side. These do not have a notch, so this is the right side. The notch is to accommodate this one here. So if you want to see the other installation, go ahead and I'll provide a link, but it shows you how to remove the factory headbands. I have already done it here just to save time, so you want to go ahead and probably follow that instructions similar to this video instructions, but go ahead and watch the other video to see a more complete instruction. I've gone ahead and done that. So to begin, we're gonna just snap on, it doesn't really matter which one you want to do first. You can snap on this into the deluxe audio strap or put these on first. So we're gonna just put this on here. It'll snap in, and we hear a click, and there we go. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side. It goes right there, and it snaps in. We want to put that in here. I secure the front first, snap it in, or hold it down. Sometimes it's best to work at this angle. There we go. Hold it down, and then there you go. It pops in. Okay, and on the other side, hold it down. There we go. Okay. It is in. Left, right. Okay. Now for the top piece, we have here is a hook. So you want to remove the face mask, and then it's pretty easy. The hinge is inside here, and you just put that in. And then once it's in, you want to actually, before you put this in, you want to remove the face mask, right? Put the hinge, or put this clip in the hinge, then put your strap through. Then the last step would be to put the face mask in so it snugs into this clip. So no Velcro needed for this like other people or other sellers are selling. So this is a nice clean version. Once you got it in, you are set. And when I install these adapters, I like to scoot this all the way back, so you just have room to work with. But that completes the installation instruction. Just tidy it up, plug in the audio cable, clip in the excess cable, and you are set. Thank you for watching.